Okay, let's do a quick rundown. I need a cover here, everything on the outside. So we're gonna go here. This gotta be a GFCI, right? This gotta be a GFCI with a new case. So we'll just get a new box with a GFCI, boom, because it's not GFCI, okay? Screens for the windows. I didn't say nothing about that one. So I need a screen for this one. I need a screen for all the windows. That one got a screen in it. These two windows gonna get replaced. This one and this one with the screen in it. All right. He did mention a cover for this, if I can find one. Right. If not, I'll make something. I don't know. I'm gonna just clean this right here. Clean that up. Put some tape or something on it. Paint it. Whatever. That's gonna be fine. This here, just tear that whole shit down. Right. Let's go inside and see what's going on inside. This just to pass the inspection. Okay. It's just to pass inspection. So coming inside here, I think most of the stuff is back here. Here. This one, GFCI, and that one, I changed it out to GFCI. Okay. Here, just change out those two windows once again. Here, see if I can get these to come out a little bit, because they sitting far back. Boom, boom, on both of them. And then right here is to change out this lock. Change that lock out. No key. Can't have a key. Right here, I'll just cut this off. Okay, cut that off. But the window is fine. And that's everything. The bathroom is good. So I can cut this down. I'm about to go. And we should be good to go from here. There was nothing in here that needs to be done.